I find you well from all over the world. Today I'm going to discuss on what is called the color map and the gray map. You can see these two buttons, this button and this one. So these are the keys that you're supposed to talk about today. So how do these keys function? So if you see that our color is off here, if you come to a screen, you can appreciate what is taking place. So this is our grayscale that you are seeing here when the color is off. So at times when you're demonstrating certain pathologies, you need to adjust the color. So what you do first, you are supposed to turn on this button, this color button. So let me press it, then you see what happens. So if I press it on, you can see now what is happening. The screen is changed. So now I can adjust the grayscale or the color map using these keys. So you see this key and this key. So let me adjust the color, then you see what happens. So you see I'm adjusting. So you can appreciate that there are changes which are taking place. You can appreciate that the changes. So you can also adjust the grayscale. So when adjusting the grayscale, you can appreciate that the color is changing. So these keys, the grayscale, you just rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise. So let me rotate it anti-clockwise, and you see what is happening. Let me do it clockwise, so you can appreciate what the changes that are taking place. So when I want to adjust the grayscale in terms of the color, so I come here at this button which is written the color map, then I adjust it. Also I turn it clockwise and anti-clockwise. So let me turn it clockwise. You can appreciate what's taking place. There are changes. You can see the color is changing, the color is changing. So this can actually help you to identify certain pathologies which might be clear in a different grayscale than another. So appreciating like this. So you can see now the color map, I've set it at 2, and at 2 you can appreciate what is coming here on the screen. Let me put it at 3, so it's now at 3, then you can see what is happening on the screen. So let us put it at 4, and again you can appreciate what is happening there. At 5, you see what is happening. So continuously changing. Let me change it. You can appreciate that there are changes which are taking place. So at every level, you can actually change the gray map. So using the color map of 5 here, I can actually adjust the grayscale. Let me adjust the grayscale. Then you see what is happening. So you can see what is happening. So you see the changes. We are using the same color map score, which is 5, and then the grayscale, I'm adjusting it, and then you see what is happening. So the color actually helps you to visualize certain pathologies at advantage. So you can actually appreciate certain pathologies better when you change the grayscale in the color map scale as well. So these two keys, they are also paramount when you are dealing with our knobology. So you must not fix them, you have to adjust them. So you can turn them either clockwise or anti-clockwise until you get the color that you need. And then you can also appreciate the gray map. Then you can adjust. You see it's changing like that. So appreciating from this end, you can see the color is changing, and then if I do this, again you can appreciate the changes which are taking place. So in a nutshell, this is it in terms of this color. So the color that you're talking about is different from the color that you are going to see. We have got this other button. This is color. This now we're talking about Doppler, the flow in blood vessels, and this is the power. We are going to deal with this one separately. They are not the this is color map, the grayscale that we're talking about, just adjusting the grayscale using these two buttons. So when you're doing an ultrasound scan, also remember to adjust the color map and the gray map as well. Then if you turn off this color here, we are seeing, and then see the screen now, Then let us turn it off. Turning it off. Let me just turn it off. So you see what has happened. I am back to the normal grayscale that I will use, the standard gray map that you use. Let me turn it on. Turn it on. Then you can appreciate that that color is coming. So you can actually adjust the map, or you can actually adjust the type of color that you want to use. That can actually help you to appreciate pathology better. Then you can actually adjust like that. So in a nutshell, this is it in terms of this type of a key. I hope you are growing rich in terms of knowledge. So the different machines from different vendors actually have got different keys that you can use to adjust the gray map. So on my machine, which is Minrid D7, I use that type of these keys, the two keys that you are seeing here, to adjust my gray map accordingly. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you are well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you all. Be blessed.